Hey guys, just doing a quick unboxing of this intelligent type blood pressure monitor. So open it up and quick look around the package. You can see it comes in a nice carrying case. Take it out here. So I did notice reading the box that you can use either batteries with it or a plug-in adapter. I wasn't sure that it came with the battery, so that's a good thing for you to know. So AAA batteries, you don't need to buy them when you first get the unit. Then of course your instruction manual and those things. Right here we have the actual sleeve that goes around your arm to do the blood pressure testing and the tube that will connect to the machine. And the actual machine itself here. So we'll take it out of this plastic. You can see it has a really nice, big, large LCD screen. So I like that. And then it has, just like most things with the screen, this film on the front. Oops, I tore it. But anyway, it has a film on there. So just make sure you take that off, or leave it. Some people like to leave them, whatever you want to do. But anyway, so that's what it comes with. Feels like a nice little machine. It looks nice. So I think it's a pretty good looking thing here.